Guys, this is how you make a bow and arrow. Grab some string. Grab any kind of string. Then grab a stick. See? A stick. Tie it. But first, there's this little thing. And then you cut this in half. And you leave this little stick part, this little, what is it called? The bark, the skinny little bark. Leave it there for your handle. And then to make one of these, the arrow holders, grab some long, thick rope.
What is the song?
Tight the bottom.
Don't put your shoes on my couch. That one.
And grab some arrows. And also, if you want to, you can make wooden ones.
And guys,